Hi, my name is Jessica Vickery. I'm in my third semester at HFCC working on my associate's degree in nursing. I chose to reference the video of Linda Sarsour's, her powerful speech at the Women's March on Washington. This was a very important message I thought should be discussed. The video is powerful and from a woman speaking on behalf of women everywhere, especially women of diversified backgrounds. She is inspirational, and throughout her whole speech, she held my attention. I knew that there was something important to be said here. I stand here before you unapologetically for being a woman, an American woman. Wow, what an opening line of a speech. I was hooked from that very second. As I heard these words, I knew immediately that she was going to say was important. Not only referencing the struggles of people in today's society, but emphasis the struggle women face, especially women of different backgrounds. She made sure to make clear points on everything she believed in. She is representing that her fight is not just to make her life better or her family, but people in her communities and communities like hers. She wants to have equal equality for everybody. It is important to me how this speech, she's sure not to include only women, but her family and people that support her in every type of way. It's inspirational to listen to her, and I hope one day to attend a march I believe in as passionately as she does. I want to be part of this change. Her video is promoting social change by standing behind women's rights and bringing women of all backgrounds together to stand strong and unified for what they believe in. Together we can change so much more than we can separately on our own. Women's voices will be heard, and she is a great start to demonstrate how we can do this. Thank you so much for listening to my speech, and I hope that you choose to watch her video and perceive her message as well as I did. Thank you.